When looking into Vanguard and specifically accounts like the Vanguard Cash Plus account or standard brokerage plans, a very common question people ask is whether there is a monthly maintenance fee or subscription cost. The short answer is that Vanguard does not charge a flat monthly fee for standard individual brokerage accounts or the Cash Plus account, provided you meet simple criteria like opting into electronic delivery for your statements and documents. Instead of monthly fees eating away at your balances, Vanguard operates primarily on low expense ratios for its funds and zero commissions on online stock and ETF trades. For standard brokerage accounts that might traditionally carry a small annual service fee, that fee is completely waived if you sign up for e-delivery or maintain a certain asset threshold. If you opt for specialized automated services like the Vanguard Digital Advisor, a management fee applies based on a percentage of assets under management rather than a flat monthly subscription cost. Keeping your investment costs low is a core pillar of building long-term wealth, and understanding fee structures helps ensure your returns stay in your pocket rather than going toward unnecessary account charges. By utilizing electronic document delivery, you can easily maintain these accounts with zero monthly overhead. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.